One of the hardest things about getting started selling things on Shopify is trying to figure out if you're actually going to make any money. It's no good setting the whole thing up if there ain't no search volume for what you're trying to sell. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check with Google to make sure you can be running Google AdWords and that you're actually going to get some good quality traffic to your Shopify store. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you figure shit out about selling on Shopify, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know you want more content just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions or indeed just comments, comment below and I'll answer it for you personally. With that being said, let's get into it. How would you target and how would you figure out what your market size is for a Shopify store on Google? So they're the two big ones. Let's talk about Google now. So here is, what is this? Here's one of my Google Ads accounts. And so what you want to do is come up to the tools and settings, this area here, and you want to go to keyword planner. Boink. For this, you want to come get search volume and forecasts. Okay, at this phase, get search volumes and forecasts. So, well, let's do Cavoodle. Okay, just because it's on the forefront of my mind. Boink, boink, boink. And now I'm just going to look. What is the available traffic I can put my advert in front of? On Google, it's 110,000 average monthly searches. And you can see they had a spike around that Christmas time where lots of people would have got a new cavoodle for Christmas, for instance. But on average, over the past 3 months, that's been 110,000, okay? It says low competition, which is good. And then that's what it's going to cost me for a click. So then I can start figuring out what my marketing costs might be for a particular business as well. So it gives me insights into that. How many searches is appropriate for Google? Well, again, if I am doing a search, so the word cavoodle, for instance, can have many, many different people searching for it. They could be looking for cavoodle food, which would be great for me, of course, great for us, but they could be looking for cavoodle breeders. They could be looking for how to train your cavoodle. They could be looking for why I shouldn't buy a cavoodle. You know, so that word cavoodle is just part and parcel of a multitude of different potential searches that happen on Google. Okay, so take that into consideration. And so again, it comes down to the search terms that you're using. And what you want to think about is what is the buying intent behind the search term? What's the buying intent behind the search term? Somebody who is looking for food or best food for a cavoodle is a much better prospect for us than somebody who's looking for cavoodle, okay? But it gives you an indication. It gives you, at least you get to understand your market more, okay? That's how it works. Any questions on that? Yes, we'll do Facebook and Google. Okay, so we'll do a full Facebooky thing and a full Google bookie thing. We might even do some other stuff too. We should have a full sequence of traffic. All right, onwards. You can search for anything at all. You can search for anything at all. So you can search for any search string you want, okay? And so obviously the more targeted your search string is, the narrower will be the confines within which Google has to go look for it, okay? And that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So it gives you more information about your business, okay? That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye!